Hello, my name is Liliana Rojas Jimenez and this is my presentation. Let's go. This is my routine. From Monday to Friday, I wake up at 5 o'clock a.m. I take shower, then I brush my teeth and get dressed. I do my hair and finally I have breakfast. At 5:30, I left home for going to the school where I work. I arrived up there at 6 o'clock a.m. My journey at school finished at 1:30 p.m. and after that I go back to home and get there at 2 o'clock p.m. At home, the first thing I do is greet my children and have lunch. I usually have a rest from 2:30 to 3:30. Then I have 5 minutes, but after that I get my snack and do exercise for almost an hour. Later, I wash up my uniforms and at a quarter to 5 p.m. I prepare dinner for my whole family. I always try to prepare simple foods like sandwich, arepa, salad, and fruit juice. We all have dinner at 6 o'clock p.m. After dinner, I organize the house and things we need for next day at 8 o'clock p.m. I use time for my studies, do homework until 9 o'clock p.m. and finally take my last shower, brush my teeth, and take my children to bed. Last thing I do at night is reading my Bible until 10 o'clock p.m. Then I go to bed and fall asleep. Saturday and Sundays are quite different. On Saturday, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I brush my teeth and wash off my face. Then I prepare breakfast and at 8 o'clock a.m. I get ready to laundry. My children get up at 9 o'clock a.m. and immediately they have breakfast. At 10 o'clock a.m. I finish laundry, so I organize the whole house, do the dishes, organize the bedrooms, and take a really good shower. Then I prepare lunch so it's ready at 2 o'clock p.m. At 3 o'clock p.m. I have a rest together with my children until 4 o'clock p.m. When I get up, I organize the clothes at the wardrobe. At 6 o'clock p.m. we go to the park to play until 7:30. Before arriving home, we buy food to have dinner together as family in the house. After that, I take them to bed and immediately I watch a movie. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I read the Bible until 11 o'clock p.m. and fall asleep. On Sundays, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Immediately, I brush my teeth and wash up my face. Then I prepare breakfast, and at 7:30, and I wake up the children. At 8 o'clock a.m., I take a shower and do my hair, and at 9 o'clock a.m., we left home for attending church service. Church finishes at 12 o'clock p.m., so we arrive home at half past 12 p.m. I prepare lunch so we have it at 2 o'clock p.m. Then we have a rest till half past 3. After waking up, take a bath, and after that, we watch a movie. At 5 o'clock p.m., I prepare the dinner So we have it at 6 o'clock p.m. Then I do the dishes and organize all I need for my jobs next day. At 8 o'clock p.m. I take the children to the bed. Then I go to bed for sleep, but before I read the Bible for 30 minutes. Thanks. Bye bye.